Is selling your home to an investor in Sacramento a mistake? It really depends on who you work with. Many homeowners consider selling to an investor if they need to sell their house fast in Sacramento. Maybe the property needs major repairs, maybe you're dealing with problem tenants, inherited a home, or simply just don't want to get the home ready for the market. The key difference is choosing the right home buying company. Reputable, local, and typically makes offers based on renovation costs and after repair value. That's why most legitimate offers typically fall between 70 and 85% of after repair value. But there's also investors that you want to avoid, like wholesalers or out-of-state buyers. They make extremely lowball offers, pressure you to sign quickly, and typically don't have proof of funds. When you work with a trusted local home buyer like Bridgehaven Homes, the process is transparent. You share a few details, we evaluate condition, and present you with a fair all-cash offer. If you choose to move forward, you'll pick your closing date. We will cover the paperwork and the closing costs. If you're considering selling your house to an investor or a home buying company, we think it's important for you to explore all options. Visit bridgehavenhomes.com.